know this is just the roads. You may be thinking why I'm showing this. Hey buddies, good morning. So I am on the track again for some health benefit pursuit for myself, and obviously this medium has been used by me just to showcase, and in fact not showcase, trying to get a bit of inspiration so that we all together earn something for our health. Just not the money, but also the health. So that lifelong we'll be not having regrets of just earning money, but investing like that. That gives a different feeling all along at this sunlight, because it's winter nowadays. So just commuting time around 10 o'clock at the same. That's my footpath. Do feel with me. Hey guys, not spending much time while running, while jogging, for talking to you. It's an awesome day. So it's better while we jog, specifically on roads. And why it is preferred, I will just say one thing. The long roads, you need not take small rounds every time in the park. If you have a bigger park, that's a different advantage. But here, you have long roads, you have long objectives, you have actually gonna go 7 kilometers to jog for, and you have awesome. The weather is so good, I can feel, even though it's 10:30, it's giving a feel that I'm jogging at around 6 or 7 a.m. Catch you with later, okay? Good. Short journey, maybe jogging, learning few things, passing on information among each other. I just want to say, that's tower over there. I just want to say that we need to have a rhythm for breathing. It's like this while we jog for a long distance. It's like this. Close your mouth. These are some few things which I have picked up in life. Hey guys, I'm putting on this camera right now for a reason. Because as I was jogging along the roads, there's strong suggestion, you don't have to cross roads by walking across the road, There have to be foot over bridges, and use them. Be safe. In case you want to see, it's a footboard bridge. Do not cross road just like that, walking across it. Please use footboard bridges so that everyone is always safe, including you, family members, and the person whom you are crossing the road with. So always use footboard bridges, and I'll be giving such requests and tips while jogging, because people are seeing my videos, so that's my duty to update you. Okay guys, thank you. Be there. Hi guys, taking one of the requests into consideration of Mr. Divyan Goyal, especially for you bro, as he said that as per WHO guidelines, while jogging and exercise, you don't have to put mask. So trying to imbibe that a little by little. So wherever I see a kind of secluded place while I jog, there is no pedestrian and no person going around me. So I take out the mask for my benefit, my breathing exercise. So I'm able to breathe very well. It's like It's awesome. So, bane rahiye. Slight more to this video. We will be in a different location. Be with me. Along with me. See you. These are the gifts which we get, after we come for this jogging or some kind of morning commitments to our health. So this is an amazing gift for me and I really cherish them. Let's not disturb honeybees, else they'll disturb us. Be careful. So it's all bunch of honeybees there. So I first take you a few seconds into the track of the newly discovered park by me. I mean, it is there since years, but I just happened to discover it last weekend, It's a beautiful park. So please look out. So I have already jogged for around 4 to 5 kilometers. I mean, I am being hey guys, very good morning. So as I said, stretch of 4 to 5 kilometers. That was damn earning, you can see on my forehead. So just wanted to tell you, before you start any exercise or jogging for the day, do stretch. As you don't stretch, that might leave with you a kind of sprain or some kind of muscle catch. So we will take a step ahead. What kind of stretching we need to do? So I just clean it around, and green grass is the life. So let's do it. The first step is kind of tuck in your t-shirts. The first basic exercise will be a kind of stretch. I'll just start. Stretch would mean a kind of side stretch. So what I prefer is always a side stretch. I know I'm not able to holding the camera. Your ankle muscles as well. Rotating it. 1, 3, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. I hope I am coming audio wise also in the camera, in the shot. So let's do some push-up. There was in between push-up challenge. I had not done it then. So let me do it now. 1. No need to do it 30 at a go. Do 15 quality wise. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the last exercise for the day, which I want to add is basically it gives a relief to the leg and is challenging as well. Don't take it only one way. So you need to spread hand this way. They're kind of 4 to 5 inches or more than that and distance. I can say 1.5 feet. Take your first leg in the front. Your head should be upwards turn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No excess back. Only 10. 7, 8, 9. And the lovely part is to do with both the feet. Do it only 5 or 6 for yourself. I'll do 10 today. So just understand. Take the both feet front and then stretch it like this. The back should be turned upwards. 2, 4, don't do it more than 5 and never give jerks. You should be very slowly, you should take control of your body and do it. 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Oh. So that's the schedule for today. Get out by jogging. Next, do some stretching, the sideways stretch, and at the end also you do the stretching because that relaxes the muscle. That's awesome feeling, man. After that, do some push-ups, and lastly, sleep here on it. What a feel, man. Have you ever done that? Into the green grass. So I'll have a little rest here. So by that time you can grab your daily course. Yeah, and after all that, the most important part, clean your bowels and then come for jogging. Because once your body is fit, I've seen people going to get, going for refreshment and all that in the evening. Do go for freshen up in the morning, then come for jogging. Thanks for watching. Be with me. Take care.